Hello children, our next topic is chance and the probability. This is the last topic in this chapter. What is a chance? Chance is, suppose if I take an example that it may rain in the evening. Chance is nothing but the possibility. Suppose if I toss a coin, what are the possibilities you will get? Head or a tail? I am not sure that what possibility I will get. That is nothing but the chance. Now coming to probability. Probability is probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. We can take many examples for this. Say children, from the exercise number 5.3, first problem, list the outcomes you can see in these experiments. They have given in the A bit, they have given spinning wheel. Spinning a wheel. Suppose if I spin a wheel, what are the outcomes you will get? This point will be maybe stopped at B or C or D or A or again A. So the outcomes, the question is, what are the possible outcomes in this experiment? Experiment is nothing but the event, what work you are doing there. So if I spin a wheel here, the outcomes are, I may get A or I may get B or C or D. These are the possible outcomes. The result what you are getting. Suppose if I toss a coin here, what are the outcomes we have? What are the result you will get? If I toss a coin, only two will be there. One is head or a tail. Next, what are the possibility outcomes when I throw a dice? What are the possibilities we will have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Because 6 faces will be there on a dice there. So these are the outcomes. Is this clear children? Now coming to the probability. Let us see question number 2 children from this exercise. When a die is thrown, list the outcomes of an event of getting, here also they are asking the outcomes of getting prime number and number greater than 5, not a prime number. D is number not greater than 5. First of all, what are the outcomes we have when we throw a die? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 4 possibilities or else 4 outcomes when you throw the die. In this, what are the prime numbers we have? They are asking what are the outcomes when a die is thrown. You have how to get a prime number. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, and 5 is a prime number. So the outcomes are 2, 3 and 5. Next, a number greater than 5. What is the number greater than 5? Only 6. The outcome is 6 here. Not a prime number. The number which are not prime numbers. One is neither a prime nor a composite number. So we can count 1, 4 and 6. And the last one, a number not greater than 5. Number not greater than 5 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. With the same question I can explain this probability also, or else we can take another example. Question number 4, the numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of greater than 10? Children, see, in a box, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the 10 numbers we have in a box. Without seeing the number, I need to pick a card from the box or else a number from the box. And the first bit they are asking, what is the probability of getting a number 6? Getting a number 6. See children, probability of an event is the number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. How many numbers, total number we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total number of outcomes are 10. In that, when I will get a number of favorable outcomes, in that I need to get only 6 here. I have, how many number of 6s are there in this box? Only 1 6. So the probability of getting 6 is 1 by 6. And second is getting a number less than 6. Getting a number less than 6. Less than 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. So 5 by total number of outcomes are 10 only. Total number of outcomes will not change. And the third one is probability of getting a number greater than 6. The numbers greater than 6 are 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So probability of getting more than 6, greater than 6 are 4 by total number of outcomes will be same here, 10. And the fourth one, last one, getting a one digit number except 10, remaining all one digit numbers. So how many one digit numbers we have? Totally 9. 9 by total number of outcomes are 10. So this is the explanation of probability of any event. You can calculate the probability of any event in this manner. Thank you so much children. Let us have a brief recap of this whole chapter. Here I have explained about pictograph, data, raw data, bar graphs, frequency distribution table, double bar graph, which is already taught for you in the previous classes, but still in your textbook it was there. And then we started with the group data, how we represent the group data by using tabular form. We are using frequency distribution table for a tabular form, and for bar graph representation we are using histogram. And then we learned about the representation of data in a pie chart or a circle graph. And the last topic we had now is chance and the probability. Hope you all understand this all these topics. Thank you so much.